So this is the last lens which I have to talk about, and it is obviously, as it says in the title, the kit lens. This has a range of 18 to 85 millimeters. When you're closer to the 18, that's good for the wide angles. So if you're taking a panoramic shot of, say, Hong Kong or even London or any city really, and you want to get all the skyscrapers in and get a really good round shot, that's the best zoom to use on it. But if you wanted to use the 85 millimeter angle, you would probably be best using, well, that's probably best for the portraits and the close-up shots of people. So on this we have a f3.5 aperture, which if I go down to the picture, it's really small. If you compare that to, where is it? If you compare that to this one, it's really small. So as it's a smaller aperture, you know that it's not as good in low lights. So the more zoomed out, less light, which I suppose does make sense. This is quite an interesting lens, as like the 70 to 300, it does zoom, but like the nifty 50 as they call it, you do have to move with this one. It's not as simple. But yeah, that's basically the gist of it. But as I've put here what camera we're going to be using, I might as well talk a little bit about the camera. So this is the camera D800. I think these are the only cameras which we have, but it's the lenses which obviously make the difference in the photos. These have a 24 megapixel. They have the SD cards which we have are 32 gigabyte SanDisk, so clearly the best ones which you can get. And it has a 95 shutter speed, which is really cool. So if you're trying to take photos in, say, 1/500th of a second of something dropping into water, it allows you to get that really good shot of the water splashing up, which I think is really cool, as I love those little detailed ones. But yeah, that's basically the gist of it.